Hi there, I'm Julie Rowlands and welcome to this short and sweet video about topical use of essential oils. Okay, you've got your beautiful essential oils. We're on to the second way that you can use essential oils, and that is with topical use. So what that means is that we're going to use them on our skin, or we can use them on our skin. All right, so it's really important to use your essential oils safely. All right, that's one of my most important goals, is to teach you how to do that. So it's important when you first start using your essential oils, because it's all very new and you're very excited about it. So cool. To remember to dilute your oils. Some oils, particularly the one that comes to mind is our lovely lavender, mostly is okay to use without dilution. However, my general rule is unsure, dilute. Now, there's a couple of reasons why we do that. The first one, of course, is to reduce any irritation of the skin, and particularly with children or with the elderly or older skin. Sometimes it is important because the skin can be a bit sensitive. So that's a good reason to dilute as well. But also, the other reason is to help when you have the oil diluted, it helps get the components to the places it needs to go very, very quickly. And also, it can ensure that you're using them in the most efficient kind of way. So how do you dilute? You use something like a carrier oil. Doterra has the fractionated coconut oil, which is really nice, easy, simple to use, no smell, so you're not having conflicting aromas with whatever the oil is that you're using, okay? So fractionated coconut oil is available. It would have come in the kit that you had. It is included these days in most of the kits. All right, so how are you going to do that? I like to use little 5 ml rollers, all right? So it's a wee roller, got a roller ball on the top, and that you can just rub it into your skin like that, all right? So you only need a few drops of the particular oil, say your lavender, your peppermint, whatever it is that you're popping in there, and then you top it up with the fractionated coconut oil. And then basically just rubbing it on the areas that you want to. If you're using it as a perfume, or pure fume as we like to call it, you can rub it in. The components straight away into your skin, and you can start to feel the benefits. Of course, you also have beautiful aroma, okay? So that's really, really nice as well. How I use mine is I just rub them diluted up into my palms and use them aromatically as well. All right. Just to touch on, there are several oils that are available that are called hot oils. Those ones are what springs to mind is oregano or cinnamon bark oil, cassia. Those oils definitely need to be diluted because they are hot oils and will irritate the skin. So you need to heavily dilute them with one of your carrier oils if you're using them. The other thing to note, and there will be information about this in the posts as you go through these guides, is about the citrus oils, which can cause sun sensitivity. So, there are a few things. Even though we have these pure and natural products, it is important to be safe using them. So hopefully that's helpful. As I said, remember to start until you get to know what your particular skin and how it is with the oils. Always dilute. Less is more. You only need the tiniest amount, and that, to get the best benefits of these beautiful oils. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.